Hi everyone, this is As Marias, your school librarian, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can access and reserve books from the library catalog. To start, we go to the school website gwa.ac.ma. From there you go to Parent or Student Login. Then you click on GWA Library. Then you click Login. Should log into your own account to place any holds or reserve the books for your account. Then you sign in with Google and sign in with the school email account, GWA email account. Now it should take you to the library catalog, which is called Etsy and Discover. So to place a hold for a book you want to check out, you go to the search field here and enter the title. I want to check out the book called Sacred Son. Hit search. Under the books tab, you will see the books available under that same title. So we have one available, Sacred Son by Lala Lalami, and the other one, the same book but different edition, which is checked out. So to reserve this one, which is available, I click hold, and then the book should be reserved for me. To verify if it has been reserved, I check the menu here. I click the waffle here, and I go to hold, and I should see the book reserved, Sacred Son, which is ready to pick up from the library. Thank you for watching.